Michael from Rokform here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and overview of our wireless windshield car charger. Let's unbox our wireless windshield car charger. When we open it up, we'll see some of the features and benefits of this car charger here. And we'll take the charger out of the box itself. It also comes with a premium USB-C to USB-C cable. So this car charger is designed to work anywhere in your car. It's got a suction cup base, so it can mount very securely to your windshield. When it comes out of the box, there will be a plastic film covering the suction cup. You'll want to take that off. It just keeps it clean. And then when you find where you want to mount it, you'll press it down. The suction cup will begin to bite to secure it there. And then you'll twist that locking arm and you'll hear it click, and it's going to be nice and secure into place there. Then additionally, it's got this thumb screw here, so you can control the viewing angle and really get it 360 degrees any direction there. And then when you find an angle that you like, you can lock it down like that. Then we've got our wireless charging head. So this gives up to 15 watts of wireless charging power when you connect it to a power source. So right here we've got our 65 watt adapter. If you're in your car, you could use the Rokform 12 volt power adapter. So we'll take one end of the USB-C cable, we'll plug it in there, and then we'll plug it into the charging head itself. And this charging head works with all Rokform cases as well as any MagSafe case. And I will note that if you are using wireless charging, you need to make sure that you do not have the magnetic plug installed on your phone. So right now I've got our standard plug, and we'll connect it there, and it will begin charging right away. This works great in either portrait mode or landscape mode, so you can, however you're navigating or playing music, things like that, so we can take it off. If you want to move the mount, you can just unlock those locking knobs right there on the base. You definitely have to twist it pretty hard, and then peel back the suction cup mount right there on the bottom, and you're ready to go, and you can reposition. Thanks for watching. You can call us or reach out to us online if you have any questions, or visit us at our showroom in Irvine.